To each and everyone, I, Pritha Jain,
And I, Manasvi Mirani,
welcome you all to this 126th annual prize giving function. Recitation and debate program by the students of junior as well as senior school, as also virtual music fest, virtual dance competition, MUN and other IPSC and inter-school events in which we, the Arcasians, proved our merit. Through this 126th annual prize-giving function, we shall felicitate the meritorious students of our school. Students who have excelled not only in academics but also in various extracurricular activities. May I now invite our Vice Principal Sir to deliver the welcome address to this virtual August gathering.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. I welcome you all to the 126th annual prize giving function. We have overcome a lot of challenges in the past few months and are absolutely delighted to go ahead with this historic virtual prize giving function. We are honored to have in our midst Maharaja T.S. Singhdeo of Sarguja, President General Council, who has graciously consented to be the chief guest, and Raja Tribikram Chandradev of Baramba, Chairman Managing Committee, who will be presiding over the function. The sequence of events shall be as follows: Chief Guest's address, Principal's report, prize distribution, Chairman's vote of thanks, art exhibition, school orchestra, national anthem. I now request our chief guest, Maharaja T.S. Singhdeo of Sarguja, to address the audience.
Respected Raja Shri R.C. Dev Birbar Harichandran of Talcher, our Vice President of the General Council, Raja Shri Tribikram Chandra Dev of Baramba, our Chairman of the Managing Committee, Honorable members of the governing body, parents, alumni, principal, staff, students, ladies and gentlemen. I extend my warm welcome to all of you on the occasion of the 126th annual prize giving function. During the past year, the challenging times of the pandemic have taught us all many valuable lessons. I am glad that our students and the faculty members have tided over this crisis and ensured that academic activities have continued uninterrupted. Braving all odds, our teachers have been successful in helping our students excel not only in academics, but also in several online extracurricular events. Even during these trying times, the board classes results have been excellent. My congratulations to the students and their parents, as also the faculty members, for successfully negotiating board classes. With the corona situation having eased a bit, I am happy that Rajkumar College has incorporated hybrid learning model with a blend of physical and online classes. Students have returned to boarding houses and classrooms. I am grateful to the chairman and members of the governing body for their cooperation in helping our institution navigate successfully through these very tough times. Their support in important policy decisions has helped the school to have emerged stronger. I am extremely thankful to all the parents for their support during these times. It is personally very heartening to note that with courage, discipline, diligence and hard work, our faculty has ensured that Rajkumar College remains a cornerstone of educational excellence and continues to have a positive impact on its students as also their families. I firmly believe that our students shall emerge as strong human beings capable of reaching the pinnacle of success and eminence. I end my address with the inspiring words of Benjamin Franklin: energy and persistence conquer all things. Now I invite the principal to deliver the annual school report. Thank you.
Greetings to all. Maharaja T.S. Singhdeo of Sarguja, President General Council, Raja R.C. Dev of Talcher, Vice President General Council, Raja T.C. Dev of Baramba, Chairman Managing Committee, honorable members, guests, parents, staff and my dear students. A very warm welcome to one and all on the 126th annual prize giving function. Owing to the pandemic, we are conducting a second virtual PG even this year. Due to indomitable spirit of Arcasians, we have remained a center of educational excellence during these turbulent times. Even in these conditions, we are committed to work diligently towards the overall development of our students and institution. All through, we have been trying to reinvent and regenerate ourselves. This calendar year, we have conducted our academics both online and offline. Moreover, we have just concluded the first semester offline board exams for both 10th and 12th. I now present before you the principal's annual report for the academic year 2021-22. Academics. The results of both ICSE Class 10 and ISC Class 12 board examinations have been excellent. The batch of ISC 21 performed commendably, as out of 139 students, 138 secured first division and only one student secured second division. 51 students scored more than 90%. Charlene Daniel topped the science stream with 98.3%. Commerce stream was topped by Tushar Daga with 97.3%, while humanities stream was topped by B. Sonakshi Rao with 98%. In science, Navya Agrawal with 97.8%, Arohi Khobra Gadhe with 97% and Tulika Ahuja with 96.3% also performed exceptionally well. In commerce, two other achievers were Navya Rateria with 96.5% and Kriti Chandak with 95.5%. Similarly, Manan Singh Chawla with 96.8%, Ishita Singhania and Akanksha Devi with 96.5% each were the three other ace achievers in humanities stream. 4 students who secured 99% in English and broke the school record in ISC were Navya Agarwal, Navya Rateria, Tushar Daga and Ishita Singhania. In biology, Navya Agarwal and Charlene Daniel scored 99% and equaled the school record. B. Sonakshi Rao topped in political science with a centum and equaled our school record. B. Sonakshi, Charlene and Arohi scored 98% in Hindi to equal the school record. In economics, the school record of 98% was equaled by Jay Devangan. The students of ICSE 2021 also performed notably. All 150 students secured first division. 52 students secured more than 90%, while 90 students secured more than 75%. Gauri Agrawal with 98.6% topped the science stream, while the commerce stream was topped by Virasna Shukla, who secured 94.8%. Prashasti Agarwal and Swapnil Roy with 98.2%, Suman Jain with 96.8%, Akshay Agarwal with 96.6%, Vidhi Goel with 96.4%, and Rishita Nahar with 97.2% also performed exceptionally in science stream. Similarly, Arundhati Pathak with 94.4%, Krishna Priya Surendran with 92.8% and Akshat Sharma with 92.2% and Yashmeet Singh Hura with 90.8% excelled in the commerce stream. 5 students who secured 97% in English and broke the school record were Laisha and Jacob, Gauri Agarwal, Gargi Mishra, Kohana Devan and Gurjas Chawla. In maths, Prashasti Agarwal, and in commercial application, Vidhi Goel scored a centum. 4 toppers of computer applications with cent% marks were Divviraj Shukla, Akshay Agarwal, Swapnil Roy and Suman Jain. In physical education, Shrish Khedia, Ojas Kochar, Prashasti Agarwal, Sania Kaur Saluja, Jia Balani, Jia Jain, Tanmay Goyal, Kalyani Das and Akshat Sharma secured a centum. 6 toppers of Hindi with 100% were Pavitra Nathani, Laisha and Jacob, Gauri Agarwal, Navya Jindal, Rishita Nahar and Namrata Maurya. In National Talent Search Examination, NTSC, Anant Kedia, Abhimanyu Shrikumar secured the first and the second position respectively. Arav Jain secured high rank at school, state and international level in English, mathematics and science Olympiads. Dhruvi Dhariwal was awarded a certificate of achievement for her writing skills. The students and members of the faculty required to be congratulated for their untiring efforts towards academic excellence. Here I like to say something about the online load of the teachers. There is a perception amongst some of us that since the physical classes are not being conducted, the teachers' load is very less because they just have to take some online classes. I would like to clarify over here that the teachers' load since the time virtual classes have started has almost trebled, not even doubled. They are under tremendous strain because they have to innovate and make lots of preparations in terms of PowerPoint presentations, collecting relevant videos, collecting relevant photographs, connecting one-to-one with the students, later on clarifying their doubts. And now lately we have started conducting the offline classes also, in which the full 100% attendance is not there. So they have to cater for both offline mode and online mode. Thereby their load has almost trebled from what it was. So please try and understand the kind of hard work the teachers are putting through. Student exchange. I am extremely happy to inform that Master Adidev Rajaram of class 11th has proceeded for a year as an exchange student to Ronald Wilson Reagan High School, North Carolina, USA. Sports and extracurricular activities. Our students have excelled in sports and extracurricular activities even during the pandemic. In shooting, students have brought laurels to our school. In 19th Chhattisgarh State Shooting Championships, many of our students have won medals. The gold medalists are Harman Singh Sando, he secured 7 golds. Khushi Chaudhary, 3 golds. Shivam Chaudhary, 2 golds. And Manvendra Sharma, 1 gold. The silver medalists are Sunishka Kumar, 3 silver. Shivam Chaudhary, 2 silver. Udit Dubey, 2 silver. Priya Rajesh Singh, 2 silver. Kushagra Dev Singh Parihar, 1 silver. And Harman Singh Sando, 1 silver. The bronze medalists are Kushagra Dev Singh Parihar, 1 bronze. Gursimran Kaur Bhatia, 1 bronze. In the 5th East Zonal Shooting Championships for rifle shooting, Shivam Chaudhary secured 1 silver and 1 bronze, while Sunishka Kumar secured 1 bronze. In the same championships in pistol, Priya Rajesh Singh secured 1 gold and 1 silver, and Harman Singh Sando secured 2 silvers. In 20th Chhattisgarh Shooting Championships for rifle, Kartik Singh secured 3 golds and 1 silver, Mrinalika Kumar 1 gold and 1 silver, Jashwasi Rajnandani Devi 2 bronze. In pistol, Vaibhav Agarwal 2 golds and 1 silver, Yashasvi Singh 2 gold, Chinmay Bagadia 2 silver, Sania Khan 2 silver, Devkrit Singh Jhala 1 bronze. Navya Agarwal secured the first rank. Subsequently, the following 14 students qualified for GV Mavlankar Championships held at Ahmedabad. In pistol, Harman Singh Sando, Vaibhav Agarwal, Chinmay Bagadia, Yashasvi Singh, Devakrit Singh Jhala and Udit Dubey. In rifle, Kushagra Dev Singh Parihar, Suriksha Kumar, Mrinalika Kumar, Shivam Chaudhary, Khushi Chaudhary, Jasheshri Devi, Manvendra Sharma and Kartik Singh. Out of these 14, 8 qualified for the 64th National Shooting Championships. In pistol, Harman Singh Sando and Priya Rajesh Singh qualified for both the nationals as also for the Indian team selection trial. Vaibhav Agarwal qualified for the nationals. In rifle shooting, Khushi Chaudhary, Kartik Singh, Manvendra Sharma, Shivam Chaudhary, Kushagra Dev Singh Parihar and Sunishka Kumar qualified for the nationals as also for Indian team selection trials. Tennis. In the All India Tennis Championships under 14 boys category, Atharv Raj Balani won the finals in singles and doubles. He also became the runners-up in the under 16 championships at Indore. Atharv lifted both the titles boys singles and doubles in the All India Tennis Tournament Championship Series. Rohin Premchandani won Talent Series 7 under 16 doubles title at Bhopal. Vihar Sharan Bhatia and Sohani Pathak became champions in under 12 boys and girls categories of Raipur Inter Club Tennis Championship. All 5 students represented Raipur zone and won medals in the state tennis tournament at Bhilai. They were Atharv Raj Balani, Vedanchal Bajaj, Rohin Premchandani, Vansh Vivek Agarwal, who won gold, while Sohani Pathak won silver. All of them qualified for National Tennis Championships to be held at Pune. Skating. In the 13th Chhattisgarh State Roller Sports Championships, our students performed commendably. Ace performers were Labdi Golcha, 3 golds, Yati Jain, 2 gold, Nirbhay Saraf, 3 silver, Riti Botra, 1 silver, 1 bronze. In 14th Chhattisgarh State Roller Sports Championships, students won the following medals. Yati Jain, 3 gold, Nirbhay Saraf, 3 gold, Shaurya Sahu, 2 gold, Riti Botra, 1 silver, Janisha Jain, 3 bronze, Jivisha Jain, 2 bronze, and Yagya Mukim, 1 bronze. They all qualified for the 59th National Roller Sports Championships. In table tennis, Samaya Pandey was ranked 2nd in Raipur District Table Tennis Competition in Under 11 Girls category. In football, Devansh Malani represented Raipur Zone in School State Football Competition at Kanker, Chhattisgarh. In cricket, Shahir Qureshi, Rachit Goenka and Saubhagya Agarwal represented Raipur zone in the state cricket competition held at Bilaspur. They have also been selected for inter-district cricket camps and matches. In squash, Jinansh Jain was a member of the winning team of Raipur zone in the state squash championship and was selected for SGFI National Squash Championships 2021. 4 students participated in Chhattisgarh state championships where Jinansh Jain won a gold medal in under 13 boys category while Divyam Upadhyay, Atharv Khandelwal and Uday Dubey reached the quarterfinal stage. In swimming, 5 students namely Aditya Sarkar, Pavaldeep Singh, Ashita Kedia, Alosha Shah Kunjam and Vidhi Ahuja were selected for 21st state competition. Alosha secured 2 gold and 1 silver medal in under 19 category. Aditya Sarkar secured 2 gold and 1 silver and Pavaldeep won 2 silver and 1 bronze in under 19 boys category. In chess, Ansh Chopra represented Raipur zone in school state chess championships. Kinshuk Kedia and Hitanshi Mudliar of class 3 participated in Asian Youth Chess Championships conducted by All India Chess Federation. Kinshuk in under 14 boys and Hitanshi in girls category were honoured by the Chhattisgarh Pradesh Chess Association with the award of Emerging Players. In basketball, Rachit Goenka represented Raipur zone in state basketball championships under 14 boys category and was selected for SGFI Nationals. In badminton, Lyric Matreja won the boys singles title under 15 group in Major Dhyanchand Smriti Raipur district badminton competition. In the pickleball state championships, Vihar Sharan Bhatia of class 5 secured the first position in under 14 boys category while Suhani Pathak was ranked 3rd in the under 14 girls category. Now I come to the Indian Public School Conference events. Rajkumar College Raipur conducted Swaranjali Music Festival 2021 which was on virtual mode, and this was in the history the first competition of this kind which was held virtually. In this first ever virtual event, more than 150 students from 29 IPSC schools took part in 8 different events. 9 students of our school who proved their caliber through exceptional performances in multiple categories were Shaurya Shukla in Indian Classical Vocal Solo, Kamakshi Singh Parihar in Light Semi-Classical Vocal, Anshumani Gangdev in Western Vocal Solo, Tanveer Bhamra in Indian Classical Instrument Solo, Riya Pandey in Western Instrument Solo, M. Samarth Sharma in Indian Percussion Solo, Prem Majetia in Western Percussion, and finally Ashisa Srivastav and Abhyuday Dev Diwan in Indian Semi-Classical Instrumental Jugalbandi. Padma Shri Bharti Bandhu and Padma Shri Madan Chauhan judged this event. 28 students participated in the IPSC Visual Inter-School Art Festival organized by the Assam Valley School, Balipur, Assam. Swati Singh, Gunjan Surana and Avleen Kaur Chawla were awarded the honourable mention in their respective categories. Spotlight Award was won by Pavitra Nathani. Navya Nimani and Rama Israni were jointly honoured with the Award of Excellence. Our students were ranked overall 2nd in performance. 8 students participated in the IPSC Visual Literature Festival organized by Rajmata Krishna Kumari Girls Public School, Jodhpur. Laisha Ann Jacob and Priya Rajesh Singh received Certificate of Excellence in their respective categories. 10 students participated in the IPSC MUN Conclave 21 organized by BK Birla Center for Education, Pune. The students put up an excellent performance which was highly appreciated. 6 students participated in the IPSC Dance Festival Tarab 2021 organized by Delhi College, Indore, where they were lauded for exceptional performance. In some other activities, Angel Mittal of class 8 set a record in Asia Book of Records by identifying most airlines from their respective flight tail logos in 1 minute. Vivan Agarwal of class 3 made history by setting a record in Asia Book of Records for being the fastest to identify all the United Nations recognized countries and their respective national emblems by observing the country's flags on screen in just 3.57 minutes. 8 students participated in Spectrum 2021, an inter-school art competition organized by Unison World School, Dehradun. Kumari Kumkum Sahu received first prize, followed by Kumari Niyati Agarwal and Kumari Dhimahi Kotecha in their respective categories, while Kumari Bhavi Pitroda was lauded with special mention. 5 students participated in 28th Jindal Art Festival called Kintsugi, organized by Vidya Devi Jindal School, Hisar, Haryana. Kumari Adiba Qureshi secured 2nd position in freestyle solo virtual dance. Kumari Smriti Gupta secured the 3rd position for story narration, and Kumari Prayukta Katela stood 5th for the story writing. Laisha and Jacob took part in speech contest organized by projectcontest.com. She won the prize for writing and delivering an extempore speech. 19 students participated in Silver Jubilee Commemorative Young Thinkers Conclave organized by Mayo College Girls School, Ajmer. Kumari Ashita Kedia was adjudged the most promising speaker in multi-format English debate. 5 students participated in Harmony 21, an all India performing arts competition music organized by Unison World School. 12 students participated in Interfaith Harmony workshop and bulletin board competition organized by AFS. 10 students participated in Perception 2021 organized by Modern School Barakhamba, New Delhi. Harman Singh Sando, Aditya Sarkar, Kumari Kalyani Das and Kumari Anushka Arora were ranked 2nd in movie making category. 12 students participated in Emerald Model United Nations EMUN Conference 2021 organized by the Emerald Heights International School, Indore. Adi Yonobari was commended with special mention. He also received the award for the best delegate for verbal mention in another MUN organized by Maharani Gayatri Devi Girls School, Jaipur. 10 students participated in a quiz organized by Indian National Trust for Art and Culture Intact Heritage. 19 students took part in another group quiz competition, Infinitus Ruis, organized by Delhi Public School, RK Puram, and performed commendably. NTAB Infotech New Delhi conducted a national level quiz competition in which Uday Agarwal secured the 1st position. 4 students of class 11 participated in All India Hindi and English Debate Competition 2021 organized by Lady Anusuya Singhania Memorial Education Center, Gotan, Rajasthan. Gargi Mishra, Archie Tiwari, Neer Soni and Kalyani Das showcased their oratory commendably. Military History Seminar was organized by Willems Boys School, Dehradun. 12 of our students participated in this. Faculty training. We are committed towards knowledge update of our faculty through regular workshops and training programs. Dr. V.S. Ravindran, Director of ICTRC, conducted 2 virtual seminars on mental health problems in school children and developing their resilience. The faculty members of senior section also participated in the National Initiative for School Heads and Teachers Holistic Advancement, NIShtha. Campus ecology. It has always been our attempt to move towards greener campus and promote eco-friendly activities. It goes without saying that the former Arcasians like to flock their alma mater thanks to its greenery with its rich flora and fauna. A large portion of our vast campus is brimming with greenery, and we are termed as the oxyzone of Raipur and the lungs of the city. Maintaining our age-old tradition, we are working diligently towards a large-scale ecological improvement of our lush green campus. Our thriving orchard of 1200 fruit trees bears a testimony and speaks volumes about our effort to make our campus clean and green. We have also revamped our existing pond. It is now teeming with fish. Garbage disposal has been institutionalized to ensure a greener environment. It is to the credit of our institution that India Today featured an article on how a historic school campus was green in water-scarce Raipur. No wonder the education world has put our college at Pan-India rankings of 15 in day-come residential schools. Infrastructure. Since we are a boarding school from class 6 upwards, work is in full swing for the new boys boarding house to increase the hostel capacity. To hold the old world charm, the buildings of MP House and PGBH, our girls boarding house, got a facelift and now resemble our majestic main building. The school canteen has been renovated and landscaping work of all our playgrounds have been completed. We have worked painstakingly towards improving our sports infrastructure. Towards this, we have added one more football ground adjacent to the existing football ground number 2. We have also provided new quarters to the subordinate staff. We are also in the process of remodeling our library by adding a new wing to it. The famous Test and One-Day cricketer Pragyan Ojha visited our school and shared his experiences with our students and coaches. Mr. Sujan Kumar Chenoy, IFS, former Ambassador of India to Japan and presently Director General, Manohar Parrikar Institute of Defence Studies and Analysis, IDSA, along with his colleague Major General Bipin Bakshi, Deputy DDG IDSA, visited our school. Another notable visit was of Major General S.S. Kalu, VSM Chief of Staff Madhya Bharat area, who praised the development of the school. In addition, a number of alumni also visited our institution. Corona has been extremely cruel on everybody, including ourselves. We mourn the passing away of the following: life member of Rajkumar College Society, Raja Vishal Bahadur Singh of Raigad; Rajmata Vijay Lakshmi Devi of Chuikadan, grandmother of our life member Raja Shri Giriraj Kishore of Chuikadan; Rani Shashi Singh of Dhaurpur, wife of our member Lal Bahadur Shri Someshwar Pratap Singh of Dhaurpur; Maharaj Kumar Surya Pratap Deo of Kanker, parent and a member of the managing committee. He was also an alumni. Kumar Yudhveer Singh Judev of Jashpur, our alumnus. Srimati Manoj Manjari Devi, elder sister of Raja Shri P.C. Deo of Atmalik, our life member. Srimati Prabha Singh, mother-in-law of His Highness Maharaja K.V. Singh Deo of Balangir, Patna, our life member. Srimati Manorama Devi, mother of our member Shri Pavan Das of Lormi. Mrs. Nandini Chaudhary, ex-headmistress Rajkumar College. Mrs. S. Bhandari, our ex-librarian. Manan Singh Chawla of 2021 batch. Kumari Swaran Kaur Chawla of class 9. Mrs. Sarla Kumar, our ex-staff of Hindi. Mr. Harjit Singh Bhatia, father of Mrs. Kulmeet Bhatia, our faculty member. Mr. Motiram Dulani, father of Mrs. Namrata Anandani, again on our faculty. Mr. S.P. Singh, father. Mr. R.P. Singh, father-in-law. And Mr. Rakesh Kumar Singh, husband of our teacher, Mrs. Savita Singh. Immense tragedy. Mr. Shakti Pada Chaudhary, father, and Mr. Parijat Datta, father-in-law of Mrs. Tanishri Datta, teacher of Rajkumar College Junior School. Mr. Sheikh Ehsan, father-in-law of Mrs. Sonal Ehsan, teacher, Rajkumar College Junior School. Mr. Jaibir Singh, father of our staff, Mrs. Shivalini Singh, and father-in-law of again our staff, Mrs. Anjana Singh. Mr. Manohar Singh Bhandari, father of our staff, Mrs. Richa Bhandari, who is a teacher in the junior school. Mrs. Ila Mukherjee, mother of Mrs. Ina Mukherjee of our junior school. Shri Jai Shankar Sharma Nirav, father of Mrs. Vaishali Pal Agarwal, teacher, junior school. Srimati Basanti Gaud, wife of Mr. Prakash Gaud, subordinate staff, Rajkumar College. Mr. Dhananjay Shatri, who was an ex-employee, subordinate staff, as also he is the husband of Srimati Geeta Bai, who is our present staff. And Mr. Vijay Reddy, who was our subordinate staff, a young boy, he also is no more. In the end, I would like to express my gratitude and regards to our honorable members of the governing body, especially the office bearers for their valuable contribution and support. Maharaja T.S. Singh Deo of Sarguja, President General Council, and Raja T.C. Dev of Baramba, Chairman Managing Committee, have always been there for us in spite of lockdowns and irrespective of their busy schedule. I would especially like to mention the contribution of Mr. S.N.S. Deo, Vice Principal, and Mrs. Chitwan Singh, Headmistress, for their earnest resolve, diligence and perseverance to ensure uninterrupted contribution of academic and co-curricular activities during this pandemic. I would like to thank all the members of the teaching staff for their help and support. Finally, I would like to acknowledge the useful work put in by our administrative and subordinate staff, as without their earnest effort, the school would not have progressed. Our building superintendent, Mr. Bhojram Sahu, requires a special mention for his hard work and creativity. I conclude through our motto, Swadeshe Pujate Raja Vidwan Sarvatra Pujate. Jai Hind. We shall now begin with the virtual prize giving function.
We now begin the prize
art exhibitions which showcases the talent of students.
From class 1B at the artwork of Lara Jivani, Dhanisha Parvani, Dhyana Jain. These fascinating paintings from class 1C are made by Dhwani Agrawal, Lavish Khemani, Shanvi Pandey. From class 1D, These striking paintings are the artwork of Ayansh Nihal from class 1F. These magnificent paintings are by Sayyid Arif Ali, Prisha Agrawal, Prasiddhi Agrawal. These lovely paintings from class 1G are the artwork of Ridan Agrawal, Sachrup Kaur Bhatia, Anaya Khetan. These beautiful paintings Janvi Singhania, Aprajita Telam. Now we shall move on to the display of enchanting sculpture work by Niyati Agrawal, Navya Nimani, Vardhaman Ved, Akash Agrawal, Bhumika Navlani, Pavitra Nathani, Sanya Khan, Angel Agrawal, Preeti Agrawal, Shreya Agrawal, Pavni Bansal, Arnav Jain, Janvi Singhania, Vidhi Ahoja.
Music has the power to transport us to a realm of peace and harmony, which is housed deep within each of us. The music department of our college has carved out a niche for itself through its wonderful tradition of music in its various aspects. Rajkumar College Raipur was the host for Swaranjali Music Fest 2021, an online mega event of IPSC schools, the first of its kind, wherein 28 schools involving 150 students participated in 8 different categories of musical events. 2 eminent panelists, Padma Shri Bharti Bandhu and Padma Shri Madan Chauhan, iconic figures in the field of music from Chhattisgarh state, lauded the performance of the students who were a part of Swaranjali, expressing hope for a bright future of our budding artists. It's time to enjoy the musical feast Vadya Vrind, which is based on Rag Bhupali. Rag Bhupali is constituted of Kalyan Thad. The suitable time for the rendition of Rag Bhupali is the first phase of night. The participants of Vadya Vrind are Tanveer Bhamra of class 9D and Neer Soni of class 11A on violin, Kanak Nandini of class 11C and Vinayak Agarwal of class 9C on guitar, Archie Sahu from class 11C on sitar, Govind Khetpal from class 9B playing Jal Tarang, Mohil Chopra from class 9C and Rudraksh Srivastav of class 9F on tabla, Asmi Jain of class 7C on harmonium, Ishita Chaurasia of class 8A playing flute.
We now conclude the prize giving function with the rendition of the national anthem.